Alright, it's the review party. Let's review who was playing under what letter. I could just tell you right now, or I could just let them play. And tell me, which one do you think sounds better? Okay, actually, yes, let's just let them play. And you can see which one was playing under which letter. So you can still have a little bit of sound to know which one sounds better and how the other one sounds and all of that. Okay, and then I guess if you got it right, kudos to you. If you didn't get it right, I don't know, don't feel bad. It's alright. It's not like you're in trouble or anything. I'm not gonna spank you or anything unless you want me to. That's weird, but I said it. Alright, so what do you guys think? Which of all the speakers sounds the best to you? Which one has the most bass? Which one just sounds overall better? Let me know in the comment section down there. Also, hey, if you like what you see, check it out in the description section down there. It's on my merch store. There's a lot of cool designs over there too, so you might want to go check that out too. Anyways, thank you for watching again. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.